Cheesesteaks are still a big deal in Philadelphia, and we developed a very loyal following because of the quality of our sandwich. My name is Ken Silver. I'm the second generation proprietor of Jim's Steak South Street. Jim's goes back to 1975 when my father and a business partner decided to open the second Jim's at the corner of 4th and South Street. I started when I was 13 years old. South Street was kind of like a wonderland for us. When the store was ready to open, I would go in and be a tray collector and things like that, and came back when my father got sick in 2011. In my opinion, the way to order a cheesesteak is not to overload it with ingredients. You won't taste the meat, the cheese, and the bread, and all the other things that make a cheesesteak great. So I like to keep it simple. The best things are done simply. This is how it's done. Efficiency is the most key element to running our business. Everyone is equally as important. Without one, nothing happens. When I hear that somebody waited in line and there were 30 people in front of them and they were served in 10 minutes, that's a good story. One of the best things about Tork Xpressnap dispensers are the fact that they allow us to advertise to our customer as well as dispense napkins efficiently. We have a catering arm. Most of the calls that we get are from people that were here and they see the ad in the Xpressnap. They'll write down the number and they'll call. People want to be regulars here. They know how good our food is, how well they'll be treated. We make a big deal when we see somebody again.